The next lock that I will attempt to pick is a Sargent core, a 6-pin. Does the key beating. Very nice. Does work, and I do believe it came from one of the packages, a Bosnian bill. So let me not waste your time. As I said, it's a 6-pin core, and let me see if I will be able to pick it for you. I did manage to pick it yesterday, and I had some fun with it while picking, so let's see if I can repeat this now on camera. That was number 2, gave a very nice click, and here we go, open. So that's the Sargent 6-pin from, again, as I said, I do believe it's bill. I will get it really quick. If it's not bill, sorry, I will check it and I will pick my mistake in the comments. Let's see if I will be able to quickly get it. I can afford to mess up because we have the key. So pliers, lock force, etc. All the stuff. Let's have a look. C-clip. My favorite C-clips. And it went somewhere. Yeah, never mind. I will look for it later. So, let's see. Maybe not this folder, but this one would be better. I take it. Hopefully, it can get in. No, it cannot. Oh, doesn't matter. Then I will use the core as a follower. So going back, oops, so these are pins 1, 2 and 3, 2, 3, I will find out later how they were. These are the key pins. I have no idea how this is assembled, guys. Okay, starting from the back, standard. Another standard. To be quite honest, I think they're all standard pins. Did not feel like any spools or serrations inside. So standard again. And another standard. And standard. Really? It's only a 5-pin? No, should be a 6-pin. Yeah, here's a 6-pin. Cool. So, going to the back, pin number 4 standard, 5 standard, and 6 also standard. Nothing spectacular on the core. No serrations that I can see. Maybe I can redo the core because these pins are awesome and they will be great for repinning. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I'm going to find out where the C-clip flew off to. See you in the next video. Keep it Lego.